Welcome back. Well, we've perked up a little bit more, but as promised, let's get chatting with Nimesh. He's joining in. Nimesh, tell us, what are you picking up? The flow is still solid, irrespective of what the Fed is doing?
Oh, absolutely. That's been the consistent feedback that the flows are strong, and that's been reported in the numbers as well. Yes. I don't think the bulls will be disappointed with today's outcome, Nigel. Clearly, look at the tone of Fed. It was so hawkish. The US markets fell sharply last night, and still we are almost about to go in the green.
Yes.
And the breadth is quite positive in today's trade. And again, today the rally is largely led by the financials, and that's been the consistent feedback that the FI money is chasing the financial stocks. And within financials as well, you're seeing a bit of churn happening. So the PSU banks are doing good. The small private banks for the last couple of days are doing very good. So that's where the money seems to be chasing out, within the larger institutions as well. So that's something to watch out for. I guess, for second day running, we are seeing the mid cap and small cap indices outperforming or relatively outperforming the larger indices. So that shows that there is a bit of confidence back from the retail investors as well. The HNI investor seems to be quite active in their selective names. So that pocket seems to be now catching up and doing a bit of catch-up exercise with the large moves in the large cap names. So that's playing out. I guess from a technical point of view, the 17800 to 18300 seems to be a bit of a band for the Nifty for the time being. So any decisive move has to happen either on the either side. For a new rally to happen, we have to cross the all-time high of 18300, 350 odd level mark. So that's a technical level to watch out for. But from a flow point of view, there is participation from the institutions, largely in the financial names, so that's playing out. And even the retail participation seems to be back with the kind of outperformance we are seeing in the broader markets.
All right, so we've got how the markets are shaping up. And Nimesh, you said it right. If someone told us at the start of today you'll be down 15-20 points at the end of trade, you'll say you're kidding.
Yeah, exactly.
But it seems that's pretty good news. But what about individual stocks? What are you picking up now?
So there are a lot of names which are buzzing in trade today. So the first stock on my radar today is Unichem Labs. That stock in a market like today is up 7%, good volumes as well. And now the street is sensing some sort of a corporate development in Unichem Labs. So that's the reason why that stock is buzzing in trade today. So that's the first one. The second stock is Tata Steel. Now, again, within the metals name, there are diverse moves, but Tata Steel stands out today purely on back of strong flows at an FI desk. So looks like at around 100 levels, there is a bit of consistent buying now from large institutions into Tata Steel. So that's the second one. The third stock is IDFC First Bank. As I said, there is money chasing the financial names, and within that, the outperformance is in the smaller banks. And IDFC First Bank stands out today purely on back of strong flows. So looks like even in IDFC First Bank today, the volumes are going to be on the higher side. Just want to add a bit on IDFC Limited as well. The street is anticipating some sort of announcement in IDFC Limited as well. And hence even that stock is buzzing in trade today. So that's IDFC First Bank for you. And the last stock is CAMS. Again, a bit illiquid stock. They normally don't see large volumes. But what I understand, at least one of the large AIF investor is looking to actively accumulate this particular stock. And there are buy flows as well at institutional desks. So CAMS stands out largely, though the stock is under pressure today, but there is buying happening at lower levels from domestic AIFs in CAMS as well.
Nimesh, thank you very much for that. By the way, it looks like Tata Motors DVR has completely fallen out of favor from the investors. It had a